Hello, today we will see Home tab of Microsoft Word. So in the Home tab we have the option of copy, paste, change font style, change font size, bold, italic, underline, strike through, change the case from sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case, then highlighter, then change the text color. Here we have option of making subscript, superscript, clear formatting, grow font size, shrink font size, and then here we can apply different bolds, bullets like circle and hollow bullet, small black square, star, and many other designs. From here we can change the alignment of a paragraph, and from here we can choose any style that is available over here, and we can create our new style by ourselves, and we can apply the style, and we can clear the formatting, existing formatting. And from in the Home tab we have an option of find any word, and we can find and replace option as well. And dictate option, dictate is a very good tool. You will speak and this text editor will type the words that you will speak, and then we have editor to check how good our document is, and there is a designer tool available from where you can see a different already built-in designs available over here for the resumes and letters and many more. So at the end we have more options like paragraph numbering, decrease indent, increase indent, line spacing, and other paragraph options as well. So first of all, we know in order to make any document in Microsoft Word 365, we click over here and we type from the keyboard. Maybe we write hello world, and in this hello world, if I want to make a copy of the same line again, so I will select it and copy it here, and then in the next line I have Control V, this is the shortcut, or otherwise I will go here and I will click paste, so I will get another copy of it. Similarly, if I want to change its style, font name, their different font names are available over here, and I can choose any that I like, so the font style will be changed, and I will select, and I can change the size of the text from this menu. And if I want to make this writing more prominent, I will click on bold. And similarly, if I want to make my writing underline, I will click here, and for italic click here. Similarly, if I want to write something and I want to show that it should be strike through, like cutting over it, so how I can do it? Maybe I write this price, and I will select it, and I will click over here on a strike through, so cut line will be over it. Similarly, if I select this text and I want to change all the text in uppercase, so here I can change all the text in the uppercase. And in order to highlight the text, I will select it and I will click here, and I can change the color of highlighter as well from here. Like suppose I like this, so I can change the color. But here if I want to change the color of the text, so if I will click over here, so text color will be changed. And similarly, there are a lot of different options for the text color, so you can open here and you can make any choose any color. And then here we have the option of subscript, superscript. So see how these options work. Suppose I have written here H2O. Another thing, like I have to uncheck it, so here again click on I, again click on B, so my writing will be free from bold, underline, or strike through. So these two tools you have to again click over it, so make it the original. Now I want to make this 2 as a subscript. So first I will select this two, then I will click here, more font options and subscript. So this two is now becoming the subscript of the other. Similarly, if I want to make a superscript, like I want to write 5 raised to the power 2, so I will select the 2, I will go here in more font options and then I will click on superscript. So now 2 is becoming the superscript of the 5. From next, as these are the bullets, so I want to suppose apply on these 3 lines, I want to apply the bullet, so I will click here. So these 3 lines are having a dot or a bullet before it, or I can change the bullet styles as well. So you can see the bullet style is also going to be changed, and if I make them all of the same size, so the bullet size will also be the same. So now the next option is for the alignment. Suppose I want to change the alignment towards the right, so I will click here, so my all writing will be at the right align. Similarly, I can centrally align, I can left align, and I have a justified alignment as well. So then we see there is built-in list paragraph. Why this list paragraph is highlighted? Because I have made the bullets over here. So this is the reason they are saying that the style is and I can choose, this is normal. So normal is, you can see the gray line over here, so I can see the style over here is normal. But suppose I select this and I want to change the style of it, and I say no, I want to make it a heading, so I have marked it as a heading over here. Then we can find, click here, and suppose I want to find the word price over here, so I will write price, one result found. So here it is highlighted also. But if I click on the replace, so I write price and then here replace with, here I will write that word from which I want to replace the word of the price. So maybe I write here discounted price, and I say replace and replace all, and replace all means every on the document, everywhere where price is written, so replace that word of price with the discounted price. So you can see discounted price is appearing over here, and if I want to play it unstrike, so again I will click here, so it will be unstrike through. And then another very good feature tool of the Microsoft Word 365 is that we can dictate. We will dictate, we will speak, and Microsoft Word will type. So here see how it works. First I click over there, and now you can see whatever I am saying is going to be typed by the Microsoft Word, and this is very quick and easy to use, and anyone can type very quickly just by saying everything here. And as this is a tutorial about the home tab, and I am going to explain you all the options of the home tab. So here I am going to explain it, and the Word document is going to be typed over here. So first of all, I have told you about the copy paste, then I have told you about making your text bold, italic, underline, then I have told you about the option of highlight, how to make the changes, color change of the text, how to change the size of a text, how to change the font style of your text. Similarly, I have told you about how to apply the bullets and how to change the paragraph alignment over here. So it is very good to type everything with the help of dictate tool, and you no need to type it by yourself, and you are able to save a lot of time as well as a lot of efforts of typing. So I think this is very beneficial for the human beings. And now how you can stop it? Just click over this button like this button, and it will be stopped. Now when you will type, so it you will say anything, so it will not type. So you can see very quickly I have typed a lot of text over here. And then there is an editor tool as well, and in the editor tool we have a preview, and it is going to show us that the score is 66%. like in this my whole document, there are no spelling mistake, but grammar mistakes are 10. So I will click over here, and I am going to change the grammar as it is suggested by it. I am going to change the grammar as Word is saying me to change these grammar mistakes over here. So now you can see the score is going to be 87%. So one spelling mistake is also here, so I say it is F. Okay, so now score is more improving, and I see conciseness too. So I follow the suggestions given by it. So now more improvement of my document. Vocabulary 2 improvements required, so I am going to get the suggestions of the word, so my document is now 100% accurate. So in this way you can make your document good, and just follow the suggestions given by it, so you will be able to make your document 100% perfect. Then we came here in the designer tool. You can see here a lot of built-in styles available, and I can apply any style, so my whole document will be able to change according to this template. The templates are provided here, and suppose I like this template, so you can see all of my document is changed according to this template. And I can choose any template, any design that is available over here, and I can apply it on my document with the help of designer tool. And at the end I have many options, like if I want to apply the numbering, I can select the text maybe here, and I can apply the numbering over here. So new paragraph will have the new numbering, and other options are decrease indent, and you can see the indentation is going to be decreased. Now question arise, what is I want to make line spacing more. Suppose I press 2.5, so it is more line spacing. Similarly, if I want to reduce the line spacing, I will click again over here and I select the one. So now you can see the line spacing is going to be reduced over here. So this is all about of the home tab, and in this video I have explained all the options available in the home tab, and in the next video I will explain you all the options available in the insert tab. Thank you.